Unlike in Southern California, where there seems to be a Tesla in every pot, the chances of pulling up next to a Model SP100D here near Malaga in southern Spain are pretty slim. So it's easy to be smug when you're driving a 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Use its launch control and Porsche says the plug-in hybrid can hit 60 miles per hour from a dead stop in just 3.2 seconds. I'm pretty sure we can take the poor soul in the aging Kia Picanto. From the looks of things we can't take everyone. Here, the 86 horsepower Picanto has some balls. Porsche has been in the electrified car business for some time, but the going has been slow. The German automaker's best-known hybrid, the 918 Spider hypercar, hit in 2013. About 1,200 were built.